The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle.
Go to Google and search for Visual Studio. Click on the top link and click download on the page, or simply click on the link on the description. Community is a free version provided by Microsoft with full-featured RIDE like professional version and enterprise version.
Just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
There are various setup options that show on this page. Tick on .NET Desktop Development for C#, F# and Visual Basic Developer. You can also develop apps for iOS and Android. If you choose mobile development with .NET, that come with Xamarin. And also develop game with Unity. The last is you can develop C++ on desktop also by simply tick here. For me, I've already installed Visual Studio on my computer. I simply cancel. If you install it already, just click button Lounge to open Visual Studio. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching my video. That's all for today. Please consider subscribe for more videos.